the hot picks. Are you ready for this? I feel I'm burning. These are so good. All right then, Keith. You can believe these. This came through to you first, didn't they?
Yeah, it did. And one of them has just literally dropped within the last couple of hours. This first one here is with Riviera. This is with Oceania. 21st of April, free gratuities, good price on concierge staterooms as well. But look at this, a cracking itinerary. And this is for a balcony with Oceania, which you know is semi-all-inclusive, wonderful, wonderful, luxurious cruise line that really specialises in excellent food and those all-inclusive extra restaurants on board. 6 different restaurants that you can go and eat in, including Red Ginger, which I know you're a big favourite.
Well, I cruised with Oceania last year, and I couldn't fault it. It was outstanding. The food, the restaurants, the service. You know, you do pay premium, not tonight, especially as soon as you get in a balcony there as well.
Incredible. You spend longer in port with them. They're a great, great company to go and cruise with. So good bargain on that. Really, really good. This next one, though, Sean, look at this. I mean, this is one of the reasons. Costa Favolosa, 22 nights for just under £1,100. This includes 2 nights in Buenos Aires. And the single price is really good. It's 1,499. That's incredible for a solo guest, solo travellers. And you're going right the way down through Brazil, through to the Canary Islands and back into Italy. But look at that. You get your 2 nights in Buenos Aires. I don't know how they're doing it here, but this is another wonderful offer from Costa. Amazing.
Now, brace yourselves at home. Are you ready?
This was the this is the 272, and this is 36 nights at 1,399. This is a late deal that it's just literally been dropped. Came through to us a few hours ago. We got an overnight in Dubai, Mumbai, the Seychelles, Mauritius, Durban, Cape Town. Not only are you visiting those places, you're getting overnights there. I mean, this is stunning. As a crew member, this is the cruise that you live for once every 10 years. Let alone as a guest, where you get a chance to relax and enjoy everything the ship has to offer.
Do you know what I'm thinking, Keith? If you tried to get a single flight to Dubai right now and a flight back from Cape Town to the UK, you know. What would you be paying just for your flights?
Well, I mean, 2 separate flights like that, you'd be looking over £1,000 at least anyway, at least. But look at this, I mean these ports that you're calling into, the overnights in Durban, which is stunning, in Cape Town where you get off, and the Maldives, the Seychelles. I mean, honestly, I'm like, this is a reason for me to take time out and go and cruise. This really would be. I might run away to sea again.
Honestly, that will go tonight, you can imagine. If you can't book tonight, if you need to make, reservations or plans, whatever, do it first thing tomorrow morning, but it will go.